Hey, Matthew Ray here again with MarineMax Sarasota. This is one of our new trades. Literally today, we just took it in. I think it's September 23rd, or what is it, May 23rd. Beautiful boat, 2009 Sea Ray 250 SLX with the sport tower, chart plotter, nice head compartment, beautiful, beautiful family boat. This boat has been repowered, has about 6 hours on the engines, new manifolds, new risers, new exhausts, 2 new batteries. Great, great boat. Let me show you a quick couple features. Nice Sunpad here, it's beautiful, but look what we can do. Open up the wings. Now you have tremendous storage right in here with drains for refreshments. Folds away, folds away. Now we have a step-through walk to get on and off the boat. It's beautiful. Really, really nice boat. DI on the top here for pulling tubes, water skiers. Lots of seating. Comfortable for 12 on this boat. It has a brand new engine, 6.2, 320 horsepower engine with Corsa exhaust. So it's got the captain's call switch. Very throaty, really nice girl. Great seating all throughout the boat. High gunnels, so you're in the boat, not on the boat. That's a really nice feature, especially for young children. Of course, anchor locker storage here, cup holders all around, drink holders all around. A slam door. When it's a windy day out, slam door, nice window. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boat. Has a nice head, pump out head, of course, 2 buckets with thigh bolsters. GPS chart plotter, Garmin. Really, really nice boat, full stereo. If you have an interest in this boat or any of our other really nice pre-owned Sea Ray, Boston Whaler, or other brands, please reach out for us at MarineMax Sarasota, 941-388-4411, Matthew Ray.